Wife's away, so I'm turning basic food into elite chef magic. Got bananas and eggs chilling at home? Whip up this total game-changer breakfast. First, smash 2 bananas with a fork. Mash them real good, smooth like this. This flavor plot twist will blow your mind. Now, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Trust me, it's stupidly easy to make. No fancy tools, just basic fork action. Beat them nicely until silky smooth like this. Total holy grail recipe since day 1. Seriously, 1 bite and I was hooked. Now I literally make this every day. Learned this back in the day, and now my kiddos beg for it constantly. Pour this good stuff straight into the pan. Dump that banana mash right into our egg mix. It's pure mouth-watering perfection and super healthy. Keep whisking everything nicely together. Instantly save this to my top favorites. Super quick, 0 effort, pure magic. Absolute lifesaver for lazy mornings. And the taste? Chef's kiss, incredible. Take your time mixing, trust the process. Toss in half a cup of oats. Stir it up until perfectly blended together. Got a few mixing rounds here, so make sure it's nicely combined. Stick to the steps carefully, and you'll unlock absolute breakfast royalty. Keep heat super low. Spread it evenly so the wife approves. We want absolute perfection here. No mess-ups. Look at that golden beauty forming. My stomach is literally screaming right now. Pop the lid on, cook 10 minutes low and slow. Hold up, we ain't done yet. Use the lid trick for a smooth flip. Or a plate works, cook 5 more minutes. Keep a close eye, don't burn it, or wife will yell. Boom! Slide it onto a plate. Slice and serve hot. Ever tried a crazy combo like this? If you love banana-based treats as much as I do, drop a comment, I'm all ears. Drizzle some sweet honey like this. Takes the flavor straight to heaven. Take a bite, absolute bliss. Hands down the easiest and tastiest thing I've ever whipped up. So, what's your verdict on this setup? What secret ingredient would you throw in? To level it up, spill the tea below. Obsessed is an understatement. Guaranteed your whole family will devour this. Weekend staple right here, made a batch. And 0 leftovers guaranteed. Family goes nuts for it every single time. Hope you guys give this a shot. Thanks a ton for hanging out with me. Catch you in the next one, bye. Fun fact time. Toss 2 juicy tomatoes in a blender. Squeeze 2 oranges, half a lemon, half a glass of water, blend 1 mint. Helps balance blood sugar levels. Fights diabetes, lowers cholesterol, boosts liver health, strengthens bones, and melts stress away. This chicken is pure magic. I make it literally daily. First step right here. Crosshatch 3 chicken breasts just like this. Get it everywhere! Next, heavy fresh black pepper shower. These slick cuts soak up every flavor. In a dish, quick pause, drop your home city below for a huge shout out. Shout out to Robin down in Australia. Glad you're loving these hacks. Melt 3 big butter spoons in pan. Keep stirring till glossy. Drop that floured chicken straight in. Time for that golden sizzle. Flip often for maximum crispy goodness. This dish slaps so hard, you'll be blown away. Got a crazy chicken secret recipe? Tell me. Add 1 more spoonful of butter. Swirl till nice and melted. Total staple at our house. Hooked since bite number 1. Throw in 3 minced garlic cloves. Sauté-il super fragrant. Pour in soy sauce, 1 TBSP, 1 TBSP sweet honey. Dash of vinegar. Keep stirring non-stop till it glazes every inch. Juicy flavor bomb loading. Once thick and bubbly, spoon that liquid gold right over the chicken top. Finish with fresh chopped parsley flourish. Measure with your heart. Boom, fully done. Look at that insane glaze. Serve hot and dig right in. Unbelievably good every single time. Try this tonight. Then tell me your thoughts. Friends beg for this exact trick. It's just that legendary. Hope you love this craft. Thanks for hanging out with me. Catch you next time. Peace. Ultimate hot dog hack right here. A generous splash of oil all over. Just pour. Rub it in real good. Fully slicked up? Great. Load it with crispy bacon bits. Instant crunch, crazy flavor upgrade. Now dust with red pepper flakes. For that fiery kick! Skip if you're a mild fan, no worries. Drizzle ketchup end to end. Then lay down. Classic yellow mustard squeeze. Keep it simple, no fancy stuff. Set aside. Grab a damp paper towel. Wrap that dog tight, tuck the edges under. Pop on microwave outer ring. Blast high for 3 mins. Super steamy hot unwrapping action. Behold absolute juicy hot dog perfection. Careful.